In front of me is Oukitel WP36, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this device. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Launcher iOS 18 from Launcher Studio Developer. When your app is ready, open it. Then hit Get Started, select I agree to terms and conditions and choose Continue twice. Then tap on while using the app and Allow in all pop-ups. Finally, after closing an ad, you can adjust all of those options available in an app, or do it later on. To set up Apple layout, hit Set as Default at the top, click on your iOS launcher, and wait. As you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. If you want to switch between your layouts, you can always do that by accessing the same app, hitting Set as Default, and tapping on Quick Step. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!